everyone. This is SST class for the students of class 2 and today we will study unit number 7. What is the name of the unit? Time to say sorry. Let's see what they are telling us. This is your SST textbook. There are two SST books. First of all, we will read. So you need to take out SST reading book, right? Page number 43. Let's read. This is page number 43. Let's start reading. Unit number 7. Time to say sorry. It's not fair. It is 8 o'clock Sunday morning. Hiba is eating her breakfast. Zan is drinking Hiba's milk. Oops, he has drunk it all. Now there is no milk for Hiba. That's not fair, says Hiba. Look at this picture. What is going on? This is early morning, Sunday morning. This is Zan and this is Hiba. Hiba is Zan's cousin. Okay, now Hiba was taking breakfast. Zan started to drink her milk and he drank it all. It means he finished the glass of milk. Then Hiba says, that's not fair. Second paragraph, it is 1:30 on Sunday afternoon. Now we are talking about the same day, Sunday, but afternoon. It means after 12 o'clock. Rafe is eating his lunch. What is going on now? You can see in this picture. This is Rafe and this is Zan. Zan and Rafe are brothers. Rafe is eating lunch because this is afternoon and in afternoon we take lunch. Zan is playing with Rafe's car. You can see in this picture, Zan is playing with Rafe's car. Oops, he has broken it. Zan broke Rafe's car. Broke means to break it into pieces. That's not fair, says Rafe. Rafe also said the same thing. That's not fair. It means this is not right. This is wrong. Third paragraph. It is 7 o'clock on Sunday evening. This is the same day, Sunday, but now evening. Evening time, 7 o'clock. Rafe and Hiba are eating dinner. You can see in this picture, the whole family is eating dinner. Zan is under the table, tickling their feet. See, Zan is here. He was under the table. He was tickling their feet. They jump up. Oops, Mama's teacup has fallen over. When they jumped up, Zan was teasing them from under the table. When they jumped up, Mama's teacup fell over. Naughty children, says Mama. What did Mama say? Naughty children. Off you go to bed. She said, you better go to bed. That's not fair, they say. They all say, mean sad about Zan. That's not fair. This is wrong. Now let's move towards the next page. Page number 44. Open page number 44. This is the page number 44. Heading saying sorry. On the previous page we read that Zan was teasing everyone. Now let's see what happens. It was not our fault, says Hiba. Hiba said, Mama, it's not our fault. Zan tickled our feet. Zan was teasing us. He was tickling us when he was under the table, says Rafe. That's why we jumped up. Okay, Baba looks under the table. When Baba looked under the table, look at this picture. When Baba was looking under the table, Zan, he says, Zan was there. Come out please, Baba said to Zan. Come out from under the table. Zan comes out. Then he comes out. He is looking at the floor. Now Zan is looking at the floor. Now Zan says, Baba, say sorry please. Now Baba is asking Zan to say sorry. Sorry, says Zan. Zan said sorry to everyone. He broke my car, says Rafe, and he drank my milk, says Hiba. They both are complaining about Zan that he has broken my car and he has drank my glass of milk. Zan is crying now. Now Zan has started crying because he is too much young. I'm really sorry, he says. Now he's saying sorry to everyone. Now There is one exercise on this page. Complete the sentences. Let's do this exercise. Take out your pencil. Number 1, Rafe is cross. What is the meaning of cross? Cross means angry. Rafe is angry, cross, because Zan broke his car. Write the answer. Second one, Hiba is cross because Zan drank her milk. Write the answer. Third one, Mama is cross. Why Mama was cross? Because her dash fell over. Her teacup fell over. Last one, I think Mama and Baba should dash. What do you think Mama and Baba should? Forgive him. Write the answer. Let's move towards the next page. This is page number 45. Let's start reading. Forgiving. He is only little, says Baba. He does not understand. Don't cry, Zan, says Hiba. Okay, Baba said that Zan is very little. He does not understand these types of things. Don't cry, Zan, says Hiba. Hiba said to Zan not to cry. But please don't do it again. But you should not do this again to us. It doesn't matter, says Rafe. Give us a hug. Rafe said, it doesn't matter. It's okay. Give us a hug. So they three are hugging each other. Mama smiles. Good, she says. Now Mama is happy and she says, very good. Now look at the clock. It's 7:30. The time was 7:30. Time for bed. Good night. Sleep well, says Baba. Baba said good night to everyone and the children went to their room for sleeping. Now there is one exercise. Write true sentences in your notebook. Don't write anything. I'm telling you once again, don't write anything in your notebook or copy. This is only book work. We will have to do matching. Number 1, we eat breakfast. It's already done in the morning. Number 2, we eat lunch. When do we eat lunch? In the afternoon. Do matching like this. Third one is we eat dinner. When do we eat dinner? In the evening. Do match. Last one, we go to bed at night. To complete your matching. Exercise B, match. Here are some clocks and like timing is written here randomly. We have to match the clock with the correct timing. First one is done for you, 7 o'clock. It has been matched with the second clock. It's 7 o'clock in this one. The small needle is on 7 and the big needle is on 12. It means 7 o'clock. Second one, 7:30. In which clock the time is 7:30? In the last one. Look at the needles. The needle is crossing 7 and the big needle is on 6. The time is 7:30. Do match like this. Third one, 1 o'clock. In which clock there is 1 o'clock timing? First one. Small needle is on 1 and the big needle is on 12. It means 1 o'clock. Do match like this. Last one, 1:30. So in this clock, the time is 1:30. Do match. I hope you have completed this work. Page number 45. This is page number 46. Now open page number 46. Let's read this page. This is the last page of unit number 7. Days, weeks, months and years. On this page we are going to talk about the days, weeks, months and years. Our world is like a giant ball. We know very well that our world is like a ball. It is a sphere in shape. It is light on the side facing the sun and that side has day. You can see in this picture, here is the sun and this is earth. So on this side there is daytime. Why? Because this side is facing the sun. It is dark on the side away from the sun. Now look at the other side of earth. It is black. It is dark. Because there is no sun, so it's night time. That side has night. The world turns round once in 24 hours. It means turns round like this once in 24 hours. So a new day starts every 24 hours. So that's why a new day starts after 24 hours. There are There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Let's read the names of these days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There are just over 4 weeks in a month. Now there are 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. These things you need to keep in your mind. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many weeks are there in a month? 4 weeks. And how many months are there in a year? 12 months. Now you need to open your SST skills book. Let's do some work in SST skills book. This is your SST skills book. Open page number 26 and look at here. This is page number 26. You can mention the date and homework on this page. Write the times 2 ways below the clock. You can see some timing here in numerical way and then in words. Let's start from here. First one is already done for you. You can see the time in this clock. It's 8 o'clock. The small needle is on 8 and the big needle is on 12. It's 8 o'clock. How they have written the time? In 2 ways. In first one is in numbers 8.00. Then they have written in words 8 o'clock. Let's start from the second one. Look at here. What is the timing? It's 5:30. It's 5:30. You can see the small needle. It's between 5 and 6 and the big needle is on 6. So the time is 5:30. Then write the time in words 5:30. Third one, look at this clock. What is the timing? 4 o'clock. How to write the time? First of all, we will write in numbers 4. Then in words 4 o'clock. Copy the spellings correctly. Number 4, look at this clock. It's 6:30. So first write the time 6:30. Then write the time in words 6:30. Number 5, look at this clock. What is the timing? It's 10:30. 10:30. 10:30. Last one is 12 o'clock. Because both the needles are on 12. First write the time like this in numbers. Then 12 o'clock. I hope you have completed this work. Now exercise B. On the same page, page number 26, exercise B. Match the timing correctly. Number 1, 6 o'clock. So this is 6 o'clock. It's already done. Number 2, 3:30. 3:30 is called 3:30. Do match like this. Third one, 9:30. 9:30 is called 9:30. Do match like this. Fourth one, 11 o'clock. So this is 11 o'clock. Do match like this. Last one, 7:30. And this is 7:30, 7:30. Do complete your matching in this way. Now move to the next page. We will not do anything on page number 27. Leave this page. Now come on, page number 28. This is page number 28. Mention the date and homework on this page. Let's start reading. Tick or cross. We can say words that hurt. Cross the words if they make things worse. We can say words that heal. Tick the words if they make things better. We have to use the tick and cross, these like two signs for the statements written here. First one, it's all your fault. This is wrong statement. We should not blame others. Second one is, don't worry, it doesn't matter. It means you are forgiving someone. So this is a tick, a correct statement. Let's start from here. Number 1. The girls are riding bicycle over the flowers and the flowers are getting spoiled and they are laughing. So this action is wrong. Indecent. We will use a cross for this one. Second one. After that, what happens? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to damage your flowers. Then the same girl came to this lady and she said, sorry. So this is a correct statement, a good action. So we will use a tick here. Last one. Can I help you plant some new flowers? So this is also correct. Use a tick here. Look at the other circumstance. Number one, you stupid boy, look what you have done to my kite. So this is wrong. He is shouting on this boy. Second one, never mind, paper kites break easily. Now the same boy is saying that it's okay, never mind, it was a paper kite, it can break easily. So use a tick here. Third one, oh, thank you, let me get you a new kite. Okay, then the boy who broke the kite, he's saying thank you, I will make a new kite for you. So this is also a good action. We will use a tick here. I hope you have completed this page. Let's move to the next page, page number 29. This is page number 29. Mention the date and homework on this page. Complete the days and months. Complete the days and months. Days of the week. Monday. Monday is already complete. They have completed the spelling. Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? Tuesday. Write AY here. Next one, Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? WED. Add ED here. Thursday. THURSDAY. Write SD here. Next one is Friday. Complete the spelling of Friday like this. FRIDAY. You will add RI. Next one is Saturday. SATURDAY. Add AT here. Last one is Sunday. 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 Add UN here. Now, days. Okay, these are months name. Name of months. First one is January, already done. Second one is February, add RY in the end of this name. Next one is March. Complete the spelling of March. MARCH. You need to add AR. April, APRIL. Write IL. May, MAY. June, JUNE. Add UN. July, JULY. Complete the spelling of July. August, AUGUST. Add ST in the end of the spelling. September. Complete the spelling of September. Add ER. November, NOVEMBER. Add EM. December, DECEMBER. Add EC. Complete the spelling. Now, the last exercise is left. Exercise B. Write the full dates. What is the date today? It's Saturday 26. What is the month? September. And what is the year? 2020. Now they are asking about yesterday. What was the day yesterday? Friday. The date was 25. Same month, September. And same year, 2020. Tomorrow. What will be the day tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Sunday. What will be the date? 27. Same month, September. Same year, 2020. We complete page number 29 in this way. So we have completed 2 pages in textbook, reading book, and 3 pages in a skills book. I hope you understood the unit number 7, time to say sorry. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.